Hi everyone, welcome back once again to another brand new marketing video. In the last video, I talk about and give you a complete review that how you can use Sendinblue and what are the feature and functionality you will get if you are using Sendinblue email marketing software. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete overview of MailChimp. It is one of the best alternative in the market for email marketing if you really want to start your marketing journey with MailChimp, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So stay tuned with me till the end, where I'm going to tell you everything about the MailChimp, that what are the things you will get, how you have to do your marketing, what are the features you will get in the free version, paid version, what are the services they provide. That's all I'm going to cover right in this video. So make sure you should watch this video till then to know more about MailChimp, whether you should start with MailChimp or Sendinblue. So let's start. So this is the official website of MailChimp. I'll provide the link of this website in the description so you can easily come to this website. So you can scroll down and you can read everything about their MailChimp. They have articles, they have testimonials, so you can go with that. I don't want to waste your time on explaining all those things. It's self-explanatory, which you can go through that. Let's jump to the pricing section and let me tell you that why you should use this MailChimp and why it's better and which other email marketing software is better. So they generally provide four plans: free, essential, standard and premium. So if you are a newbie, you want to start your email marketing, I must recommend you to go with the free one. But I always prefer those who want to start their email marketing, they could go with Sendinblue because that one is more advanced and you get more feature in that. So I'm here in this video, I'm just going to cover that what are the features you will get in the free version and why you should start and why you should not start. So here in the free version, as you can see that they will allow you to import contact or have contact up to 2000 only, and you can able to create only one audience, and everything is free like they are claiming. But you will get a marketing CMRM where you can able to proceed the performance of your campaign. Creative assistant is something new which they have included. This one is also very helpful. Web developer, website developer means like you can able to create a web page by using the MailChimp platform, and they will provide you MailChimp domain. So like if you want to create your own website using MailChimp, so you can use their platform, and they will provide you domain as well, but they will have .mailchimp something like this, and you can able to create forms and landing page. But why I just tell you that not like this one is not that good as compared to the other social other email marketing softwares like Sendinblue. So like in if you use Sendinblue, like right now here providing 2000 contact, but in Sendinblue they will provide you unlimited, like unlimited contact you can import, and you can create unlimited of audience. That's why I find that this is the drawback they have, because they have limited with one audience. The main purpose of using email marketing software, because we have to have a multiple audience and we run a different marketing campaigns. So when we run those campaign, we have a different audience for different product, different audience for lead generation, for form fill up. So we have different audience, but here we can able to create only one audience, and I don't think that this is not going to help you in a that way. And where automatically when you provide any kind of service, you have large audience, and we have to nurture those audience in a different level. So this is the drawback which we have in the free version. But if you use Sendinblue, they don't have this restriction. You can use it in a multiple audience, and they have tags also, so that one is also great. So if we check out the other pricing point like essential, standard and premium, like you will find that in the essential one they're having 5000 contact and 3 audience. Here 10,000 and here is unlimited. But the main funda here is that they are limiting yourself with the number of audience. Like in the standard one they are allowing to have only 5 audience. So that's why this one is the drawback. Like if you go with the Sendinblue, there you will find a lot more functionality. Like there is no limit in the terms of audience, there is no limit on the terms of contact. Like they are providing advanced segmentation in the premium one, but you will get in the free one. But they have limit, but you will get that free one. You will get reporting, like sending optimization is there. Like you will get customer support, but not in 24 hours, but they will provide you in the free version as well. So what I recommend you, that when it's come to starting your email marketing journey, you should go with Sendinblue. You will find a tons of feature and that will help you to learn a lot. So that's why I tell you that whenever you want to start your email marketing, go with Sendinblue, because its free plan is one of the best. No anyone else in the market, like other email marketing software would provide you. Like they're providing a bunch of facilities. Like I use it personally for myself, for my all e-commerce stores, and whatever stores I build for my clients, I always recommend them to go with the free plans. So I hope you have liked this video. I will link the video of Sendinblue where I have done all the review in the I button, so you can go and you can check that everything about the Sendinblue. And I also created a complete tutorial that how you have to do email marketing with Sendinblue for absolutely free, where I have explained everything about the contact importing, how to design your subscription form, how to design your email template. So everything is explained briefly, and I'm going to link that video in the I button and the description so you can watch that. So I hope you have liked this video. That's it in this video. If you really have any question or you want to know anything else about this email marketing software, write down in the comment section. I would love to help you out, and I love to give you an idea that what to do, what not to do. That's all I will tell you. Just write down your queries in the comment section so we can have a talk and let me help you out. So have a great day, and bye bye. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it right now. It's right there. See you the next time. Bye bye.